Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we are exploring the foundational regulatory framework for medical devices in Mexico. For any manufacturer looking to enter this significant Latin American market, understanding the Ley General de Salud, or the General Health Law, is the essential first step. This law serves as the cornerstone for all health-related regulations, establishing the legal authority and structure for the entire health protection system. It's the primary legislation that empowers Mexico's main regulatory body, the Comisión Federal para la Protección contra Riesgos Sanitarios, better known as COFEPRIS. COFEPRIS is responsible for the oversight of not just medical devices, but also drugs, biological products, and even certain foods and environmental health issues. The General Health Law, complemented by the Reglamento de Insumos para la Salud, or the Regulation of Health Supplies, outlines the complete life cycle requirements for medical devices. This comprehensive framework covers several critical areas that manufacturers must navigate. It dictates the specific procedures for obtaining marketing authorization, which is the official registration required to sell a device. The law also establishes stringent controls for the import and export of medical products, ensuring that only approved and compliant devices cross the border. Furthermore, it defines the manufacturing requirements, mandating adherence to good manufacturing practices, or GMP, which are detailed in specific standards like NOM 241 SSA1. A crucial aspect of this framework is post-market surveillance, which in Mexico is referred to as technovigilance. This system requires manufacturers to monitor their devices' performance after they have been placed on the market, and to report any adverse events to COFEPRIS. This ensures ongoing patient safety and device efficacy. For international companies, the regulations mandate that a local, in-country representative, known as a Mexican registration holder, must be appointed. This entity is legally responsible for the device registration and acts as the primary liaison with COFEPRIS. It is also important to note that all technical documentation and labeling must be submitted in Spanish, which underscores the need for expert local support. The entire system is built on a risk-based classification model, categorizing devices into Class 1 for low risk, Class 2, and Class 3 for the highest risk products, with regulatory requirements increasing accordingly. If your company needs assistance navigating the complexities of COFEPRIS registration or any other aspect of global market access, please check out Pure Global. For more resources, including our free AI tools and regulatory database, see the links in the description of this episode. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.